Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you share your Instagram Reels to your Facebook Reels. How can you do this setting in your phone? So for this, we just need to go on our Instagram and we need to just do one thing. We can copy our Instagram Reel link and then download that Reel from another third-party website, and then we will upload it into our Facebook Reels. And if you don't want to do it, you can just sync your account from Instagram to Facebook. You can sync your both account for uploading videos and photos, and that will be uploaded on Facebook also. Let me just show you one thing, that whenever I upload anything on my Instagram account, like this is my post or anything, it will automatically be uploaded on the Facebook page of mine. What we have to do, click on the three dots on top right of screen, click on setting here, and in setting you have to go on your account center, and you can sync your both account. Like you can see, this is my profile, Sitanshu Shekhar Misra. That is my Facebook account, and Be With Nomad is my Instagram account. The both account are linked. You can just click on connected experience, and then you can add your account from this menu. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.